Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate. Come and be her guest at the junction.
Hey group, back at you again. Got a eastbounder here, Norfolk Southern though. Don't know the ID. I imagine I'll get him eventually. So here he comes. Lights ought to be going on. There they go. Smell that diesel fuel. What we got here? 1993, 1030. Difluoromethane, it says. 2348 or 93. For 1993. Open box cars. We have 1789. And here comes the DPU down there yonder. $23.48. DPU. With a little bit of scrap in the car there. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing listed. Corn syrup, okay, we know that. More scrap materials. $18.32, that's sulfuric acid spent. See a bunch of more tankers way down there coming. It's on the end of the train. More corn syrup. Why would they need a bumper car for corn syrup? Maybe that car isn't. Hey, not a bad beginning. There she goes again. Okay, well, I'm gonna see if we can catch a few here on Memorial Day, so anyway. Hey, I do want to put out a shout to somebody special though. If you can see this, yeah, stop, respect the red though. Railroad signal light, so reminding the engineers to respect the red on these shirts. So, but that can also apply to crossings too, so always respect the red though here though. But I do want to put out the shout though that was gifted to me by an engineer from Norfolk Southern named Tony, who gifted it through my son, Nick. So thank you very much, Tony. Thank you for your service. You keep America moving. All right, we'll see what else we can get. Okay, we moved a different location here, over here at Root Road in North Ridgeville, Ohio. Do have a train 28B coming here, so here he comes. UPS train. Sweet and short. 28B usually is a short one. There she goes. Okay, well, we're going to be in the area here for a little while longer, so okay, we'll be right back at you again. Be here on the dead end of State Route 83 here, North Ridgeville, Ohio. Do have an eastbounder coming. Can't tell what it is he's hauling. It looks like gondola cars, a bunch of them here. I don't know, let's see. Moving kind of slow. That'd be the overpass for State Route 83 over there. Yeah, he's moving, I guess, okay. Actually an empty coal train. Couldn't tell from the distance, but this is coal cars. And I can smell diesel fumes. Just taking a look behind me here briefly. have no idea what this ID is, but I think it's probably going to put it... No, I'm thinking CSX. 500 series, I don't know. I guess I can find out, though, eventually. And the signals down there, I see all red on this side. All red. There's what they say is that. There she goes. Okay, I'm going to hang around this spot here for a little while longer to see if anything comes. So, anyway, all right, we'll be right back. Group. Yeah, we're still here at the dead end of State Route 18. Got this guy coming over here. He is designated as 260. Left at 47th Street, heading to Chicago, or not Chicago, but Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So here he comes. That's an intermodal. Yeah, I would say they must be doing some work somewhere around the area. That's why these trains are moving slow today. As you can see, you got a bunch of new railroad ties laying along here. Did sound good over there. That sounded like a bad wheel bearing. If it's bad, the detector behind me should be able to get it. Okay, I do see maybe the end approaching. Way on down there. Probably a bunch of empty intermodal on the end. Can't really tell. Nah, the end is approaching. Well, there goes that one. Okay, should I do? Catch another one here and move on, or move on and go down to maybe Race Road? Baddock Road, I would film there, but it's kind of a, I don't know, weird location or something. It's, like I say, I gotta park way down away from the crossing and walk up there, and sometimes I miss them, so probably end up at Race Road. So, all right, be right back.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.